Today I am going to show you how to make a very well liked Sindhi snack which is called Sanna Pakora. Now Sanna actually in Sindhi means thin, while the Pakora is not thin, but it gets its name from the various ingredients that are put in very finely chopped into it. And for making Sanna Pakora, we will need 1 bowl of besan, 1 bowl of oil for frying, methi leaves finely chopped, coriander leaves washed and finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, ginger 1 to 1.5 inch piece finely chopped, 1 medium sized potato finely chopped, 2 green chillies finely chopped, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of soda bicarb and half teaspoon of ajwain, and water to mix and make the batter. Okay, now that we've seen all the ingredients that go into Sanna Pakora, we are going to make the batter. And I'm going to take this bowl. Now I'm going to make the batter. I first put the aloo, now the chopped piyaz, the methi leaves, the coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger, adrak. Now I'm going to put the spices, which is half teaspoon of ajwain seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of soda bicarb, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, besan, about half of the bowl, and I'm slowly going to now add water to it and blend all of this. It comes out good if it is done with the hand. We need a little more besan because there's a lot of the vegetables. So I'm going to empty out this whole bowl into this, and now I will add salt as well. I'm now just going to make sure that it's all well blended. This is the consistency that the batter should be. It should not be too soft and not too hard as well. You should be able to lift and put a portion into the oil. I'm going to rest this batter for a few minutes now while I heat the oil on the gas, and then we will make our Sanna Pakora. I'm now going to heat the oil in the kadai. I'm going to share a tip with you now which I learned from my mother. What she did was she used to put a little bit of the hot oil into the bhajia to make it even more soft and crunchy. So what I'm going to do now is really mix this all up, and now I'm going to start frying them. So I will be dropping I've purposely put big blobs of the batter and I'm cooking them on high flame. What I'm going to do now is half fry these. As you will see, they are swelling up because they have the soda in them, and when they are going to be light golden brown, then I'm going to take them out on a tissue and lower the flame. Now what we are going to do is we will be breaking these up into smaller pieces, and I'm going to put them back into the oil. So I'm putting all of the broken pakoras back into the oil, and now I will fry them once again to a deep golden brown so that they are very crisp and crunchy on the outside but soft and tasty on the inside. When you are frying the bhajia pakoras for the second time, reduce the flame a little because the oil is quite hot, and make sure that they are all uniformly golden brown. We are ready now, and I am going to take these out. Again, I will take them out on a tissue so that the additional or the extra oil is sucked up. The pakoras are now ready, and I am going to serve them. A perfect snack to be had with drinks. It's perfect for a rainy day or whenever you feel like having something hot and tasty.
We've got loads more for you, so subscribe to this channel and ping us at food@pingnetwork.in to tell us what you would like to see here.